Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's March 3rd, 2025. It's about 5:30 in the evening. Just got to finish feeding the animals, so they're all set for tonight. Half the day was pretty bright out here, and the big clouds moved in. And it got dark. You can see how dark these clouds are here. I don't know if it's supposed to rain again or not, but the soil is starting to dry up here. This was a big mud pit right here in front of me. Well, anyway, temperature is getting better. It's been over 50 degrees most of the day. That's good. Hopefully we keep getting this good weather. A lot of stuff to do down here. Well, I did get 6 eggs today. That's good. It's a hit and miss this time of year.